everyone, my name is SHILPASHREE. I am from first year CSBS. Today I want to say about after 50 years, how was the cell phone modified. I was started company is Rancy, product present name is cell phone, product proposal name is Pro cell phone. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one AI assistance, second one environmental sensors, third one wireless charging everywhere. Define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. The existing product name cell phone, futuristic product name is Pro cell phone. Ideas. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Solar charging. Integrated solar panels on the back of the phone to provide an alternating charging method when wireless charging is not available. Multi-language translation. Real-time voice and text translation for seamless communication across different languages. AI-powered personal assistance. Enhance the AI assistance to perform more complex tasks, learn user habits, and provide personalizing recommendations and proactive support. Long-lasting battery with rapid charging. Develop a battery that lasts significantly longer than current models, paired with super fast charging technology. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers so this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.